Good job. Good job.
Woo! The bump is crazy, I'm telling you. It is insane. What's going on, guys? It's Jordan Nevels back, and today I want to introduce you to a different variation of bench press that you've probably never done before, but we call this the plyometric bench. So if you're familiar with Marvin Marinovich and the fast twitch type of training, this is what we like to incorporate, but we mix it into my own type of bodybuilding aesthetic style. So I always suggest to start with just the bar only to negate any risk of injury, and also have a spotter behind you just in case something were to go wrong. But again, I can't emphasize this enough, you do not need heavy weight with this. But the premise of the exercise is to drop the weight and catch it to engage that fast twitch muscle fiber, and you are also stopping the force. So you'll feel a different contraction in the chest than you normally feel from just lifting a weight with your standard up and down motion. So I'll show you the routine here that I do with it, the setup, but you'll see that I get in and I do a 10-10-10 split. That is the exercise. So my first 10 reps, I'll drop the bar, get underneath it quick, catch it, pause for 2 seconds, and then explode up. My next 10 reps, I'll drop it, get underneath it quick, catch it, and explode up immediately as fast as I can. And then my last 10 reps are just standard regular bench presses. This is not an exercise you'll do for a power lifter, or if you're trying to just put on a crazy amount of strength or mass. But if you are looking for an aesthetic look, that sport look, that fast twitch athletic look that athletes tend to have, this is a great exercise for you. Or if you are an athlete yourself and you're looking to get something different than just a standard barbell weightlifting, try the plyometric bench press. So we'll get in and get set up and show you what it looks like. Now we're going to explode. Now we rep them out. Again, start with just the bar so you can get the technique. It'll feel maybe a little scary at first to let the bar go because it's just not natural, right? Our whole lives we've been lifting weights where we squeeze it, rip it, and keep everything tight. So dropping the bar feels a little bit foreign at first. So just start with the bar, feel it out, give it a shot, and then add a little bit of weight and just see the crazy pump and stimulus that you get through the chest, the shoulders, and the triceps that you are not accustomed to getting through doing regular bench press. All right, here we go, man. We've added a little bit of weight. As you can see, there's only 25 on each side. We do use a thicker, heavier barbell here just to add a little bit more weight. The point is you don't need an incredible amount of weight, and I highly suggest not trying to add a ton of weight that you typically normally do, because this plyometric feel is completely different. And again, you do not want to risk injury through this, but it is a very effective exercise for fast twitch muscle fibers and just doing something different that can give you a different, more aesthetic pump and feel to work into your normal barbell routine occasionally. All right, so let's jump in. Remember, have a spotter on deck just to protect you, to make sure nothing crazy happens. And I also suggest if you have a bench that has spotter arms on it, go ahead and set those up at a height that's about a few inches off the chest, just in case the bar were to slip. You'll be protected and it will land on those safety spotter arms. So that's always another protective that'll keep you safe there. If not, you better have somebody like Dre that can grab that bar in case something happens. But I don't know, Dre might struggle with this.
I got you.
All right.
I got you.
All right, we'll see. All right, here we go. Let's lock it in. Start with the 10 reps with a 2-second pause. Now your next 10, you're gonna rep it right away. Drop and explode. Now you rep them out.
Good job. Good job.
Woo! The bump is crazy, I'm telling you. It is insane. Again, to be able to achieve that pump and that type of work with very light weight is just another alternative. Is this the holy grail? Is this gonna put crazy amounts of muscle on you? Probably not, but that's not the point. The point is just trying different things that can give you more tools in your arsenal to be able to develop that aesthetic, great physique that you wanna get without getting hurt and having longevity, all right? So give this a shot and let us know how you like it.